Hey y'all, and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we are here starting a new workout series. Today we're going to be using the yoga blocks. If you have them, great. If not, you can still do these moves. You can use a little ball or any type of object in place of the yoga blocks. And if you are ready, let's go ahead and begin with our yoga block ab workout. Okay, so let's go ahead and roll over onto our backs here. Make sure you grab the yoga block. We just need one here. And we're going to begin by passing the ball with our hands and our feet here. So we're passing it, just passing it here with our hands and our feet here. If you don't have a yoga block, any other object will work. A little ball or even a pillow. You should all have a pillow, so that will work great. And you really want to squeeze the entire time here. We really have to squeeze the block between our feet here, which really helps target and tone our legs as well. And this is a great move for the entire abs here, really working those lower abs. Y'all are doing so great. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we're going to be doing figure 8 with the yoga block here. I'll show you what that's going to look like. We're going to come up into Pilates stance here, and we are going to be doing figure 8 or the infinity symbol, whichever one you want to call it. So we are staying lifted the entire time. We're just doing this move for 1 minute here. Point your toes if you can. If not, that's no big deal. And our legs are straight the entire time here. But if you have to bend them, that's totally fine as well. So this move works our lower abs and those middle abs. And of course our upper abs here, because we are staying lifted the entire time. If this move is too hard for you, you can't stay up the entire time, you can always bring your head down and pass the block that way. Once again, if you don't have a block, you can substitute it for another object. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, just giving that just a quick rest here, because now we're going to be doing the same move, but with our feet, legs in tabletop position. So coming back up here, and we're just going to pass, pass, pass. So we're still working those abs here, and we're keeping our knees bent the entire time here, trying to keep your toes pointed, your chest lifted, and just passing it back and forth, and back and forth. So we're creating, once again, the figure 8s here, or the infinity symbol, whichever one you prefer to call. And pass and pass. Once again, this move is too hard for you, you can just lay your head down and pass the block that way. Still moving those feet here. And twist, twist. Figure 8s, here we go. Keep going. Y'all are doing such a great job. Keep up the great work. Y'all can do this. We're almost done. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we're going to lift back up. So lift your chest up, extend one leg up and one leg out. We're just for 30 seconds, we're just going to pass the yoga block around our leg here. We're doing that isometric hold here. So this is working our abs here. Our upper abs since we were lifted up, and our lower abs since we were holding these position here with our legs up. Just 30 seconds, y'all. Y'all can do this. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, switch for me here. Just going straight into it. Passing that yoga block around your leg here. If having it straight is too much, you can always bend your knee here. Otherwise, try and keep that leg lifted. Y'all are doing great. Try and keep your toes pointed. Stay lifted the entire time. Y'all got this. Just 30 seconds. It's going to go by so quick. Y'all got this. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, just resting for just a second because we're going to do the same move once again, but with our knee bent the entire time. And here we go. Lift your chest up with those legs. So as you can see, my other knee that I'm not passing the yoga block around is just hovering just above the ground here. My toes are still pointed. Chest is still lifted here. We're still in the Pilates stance here. Y'all are doing such a great job. You have to take a break and put your head down. Feel free to do so, but make sure you still remain passing that yoga block. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's just go straight into it. Switch in here. Y'all are doing such a great job. We're almost done. This is our last move of this workout here. Keep being lifted up. Y'all got this. Pass that yoga block. Y'all are doing such a great job. We're almost done. We're gonna have nice toned abs after this. Keep going, y'all. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below letting me know what you thought of this workout. And make sure that y'all subscribe if you haven't already. And a big thank you to every one of my subscribers. I hope that y'all have a great rest of your 2022. And I look forward to seeing you on Friday for our Zumba dance video. Bye.